Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, the VIX cash is basically unchanged here today, right around 12.30. However, we did see an intraday low of 11.84, which corresponds with the lowest levels of the year, now climbing back above 12, even with the SPX and the NASDAQ holding on to new all-time highs. There is dispersion in the market today, though, with the Russell and the Dow under some pressure. Realized volatility, 10-day realized volatility unchanged week over week at 7.5%. However, 30-day realized volatility continues to drop lower this week, down to 6.5%, which is some of the lowest levels for 30-day realized volatility that I can remember. At the money straddle on the SPX, looking 30 days out, implied vol level of 10%, near the low end of the range from a historical perspective. Moving into the VIX futures, basically unchanged today, but what is interesting is we're seeing a lot of that extended risk premium in the October future coming out this week. We're seeing, again, maybe a little bit of clarity as far as the election. Hard to say, but nonetheless, some of that election risk premium has worked its way out. Still holding on to some, but we're seeing that October future now beginning to move more back in line with the rest of the futures curve. Options activity, July, puts 12, 12.5, 13 put lines active. August, 20 calls, 13,000. Those are traded. And in September, a couple of big trades. September 12, 17 put spread trades 13,000 times, but then the September 12 calls, I believe, trade separately 16,000 times today. Next week, several things to get influence of vol structure. CPI, PPI at the end of the week. Market momentum continuing to maintain to the upside for the SPX, as well as realized volatility. It does appear that realized volatility is imposing its will here to some degree as we start out July, and that'll be interesting to see if that continues as the markets grind higher.